Hey guys, it's Vic here again from D&V Mobile Auto. We've come to another customer's house to clean mold from a Hyundai Genesis coupe. So just to give you an idea, that's all mold, the back seat of the car. Heavily molded, but we're going to try and make it as clean as possible. I'll take an after video. Thanks. Hey guys, it's Vic from D&V Mobile Auto. Here's the car afterwards. So we've got rid of all the mold. And car looks brand new. So give us a call, 604-518-6684. Thank you.